Have you ever imagined if you could get paid to listen to music? It sounds like a dream, but it's possible. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something really exciting. Have you ever wondered if you could actually make money just by listening to music? It sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you it might actually be possible? I spent over 100 hours researching different websites and apps so you don't have to. Today, I'm going to share my findings and show you how you might be able to turn your love for music into a passive income stream. Let's get started. The first website I came across was Radio Earn. This platform pays you to listen to music on the radio. The process is pretty straightforward. You sign up by entering some basic information and creating a password, and you're ready to go. Once you're logged in, you simply click on the Start Radio button, and you can start earning by listening to the radio for 15 minutes at a time. You might be wondering, how much can you actually make from this? Well, it's not going to make you rich overnight. According to Trustpilot reviews, some users have complained about low earnings, but it's a good start if you're looking to make a little extra cash while enjoying your favorite tunes. Next up, I explored a site called ShrinkMe. This is a paid short link service where you earn money when people click on your links. Here's how it works. You find a song or playlist that you like, copy the link, and then shorten it using ShrinkMe. After that, you can share the shortened link on various platforms like Pinterest and Imgur. Every time someone clicks on your link, you earn a small amount of money. It's a creative way to make some extra cash, but keep in mind the earnings per click are quite low. However, if you manage to get a lot of clicks, it can add up over time. Now let's talk about Playlist Push. This platform is really interesting because it pays you to review songs. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn up to $15 per song that you review, which means $150 for 10 songs. The process is simple. Artists join Playlist Push to promote their music and get feedback. As a reviewer, you sign up, listen to the songs, and provide your honest feedback. According to Trustpilot, Playlist Push is a relatively trusted website with good reviews and instant payouts. If you love discovering new music and sharing your thoughts, this could be a great option for you. Another similar platform is Sound Campaign. This website also pays you to review songs, offering up to $14 per review. To sign up, you simply use your Spotify account and you're good to go. Just like Playlist Push, you listen to the song, provide your feedback, and get paid. Sound Campaign is a great way to support artists while earning some extra cash. For those who are more into social media, there's a platform called like.org. This is a social media engagement exchange marketplace where you can exchange listening to music for things like Instagram likes or followers. Here's how it works. You sign up, create an account, and start engaging. For example, you can listen to music on Spotify and in return, get Instagram likes or followers. You can then resell this social media engagement on other platforms. I made a full tutorial on my channel explaining exactly how this works, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. Let's move on to some apps that pay you to listen to music. One of them is CashStar. This app pays you to play music on Spotify and YouTube. You can earn anywhere from $10 to $15 per song. However, there's a catch. You'll need to get on their waiting list, which can take a few months. But once you're accepted, it's a nice way to earn some extra cash while enjoying your favorite songs. Another app is Music Gateway. This platform allows you to get paid for listening to music. You just need to go to the Curators section, sign up for free, and start listening. You can get paid for each song you listen to, and the process is quite simple. If you're looking for even more ways to make money, check out Pawns.app. This app pays you to do all sorts of different tasks, including listening to music. You can withdraw your earnings through various methods, including crypto and Amazon gift cards. Similarly, Free Cash is another app where you can earn money by completing different tasks, including listening to music. Just go to the Earn section, complete tasks, and get paid. While the earnings might not be huge, every little bit helps, right? One creative approach is to upload copyright-free music to sites like appforever.net. This is how it works. You download copyright-free music from sites like Pixabay, upload it to appforever.net, and then share the download link. When someone downloads the file from your link, you get paid. It's a unique way to make money, especially if you're good at promoting your links on social media platforms like Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Now let's talk about passive income. Starting a passive income online business like a faceless YouTube channel can be very lucrative. I personally made thousands from a single video posted years ago. Here's an example. I posted a faceless video 3 years ago, and it has already made me $27,000. And the best part? It continues to make money even today. By joining the Online Business Club, you can learn how to generate passive income even while listening to music. This means you do the work once and reap the benefits for years to come. I'll link a video in the description that explains how others are making passive income and how you can get started too. It's a game changer and can truly transform your financial situation. Before we wrap up, I want to mention a few more platforms and methods. Cash Magnet is an app where you can get paid while doing nothing. You receive SMS messages while you sleep, and you can also listen to music while the app makes you some money in the background. It's not a lot, but it's something. In this video, we review 3 fantastic products that can significantly enhance your daily life. The Drio Tower Fan for Bedroom, the Velitic Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover, and the Politiki Car Cleaning Gel. The Drio Tower Fan combines sleek design with powerful, quiet performance, perfect for any bedroom. The Velitic Kojic Acid Dark Spot Remover is an effective skincare solution for reducing dark spots and evening out skin tone. Lastly, the Politiki Car Cleaning Gel makes cleaning your car's tight spots quick and easy. If you want to buy, check the links in the description. Another fun and unique way to make money by listening to music is to be a bartender. Think about it. You get paid to serve drinks while listening to music all night long. Jokes aside, it's a fun way to enjoy music and make money at the same time. On a more serious note, Fiverr is another platform where you can make money by reviewing music. Search for music review on Fiverr and you'll find people offering to review songs for a fee. You can do the same. Create a gig, offer your services, and start earning. It's a great way to combine your love for music with a side hustle. To sum it all up, there are plenty of ways to make money by listening to music. While some methods might not make you rich, they can certainly help you earn some extra cash. From websites like Radio Earn and Playlist Push to apps like Cashstar and Music Gateway, the opportunities are endless. And if you're willing to get creative, platforms like appforever.net and like.org can open up even more possibilities. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and I'm here to help. Until next time, keep hustling and keep the music playing.